Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.
So guys, acceptile. I am toxic. Ngikhuzi bazalwani. I'm toxic because lesithembu lesi ngisithanda kabi. Lesithembu lesi sakamselegu engiphakathi kwaso nami ngisithanda ure. Guys, my heart was so warm. Uma Ngwabe ngicela ngahambe. Mangwabe, sorry girl, sorry wonke lama video engiwenzile ngithi uhambe ngiyaxolisa. Ngicela ungixolele Mangwabe, ngicela ungahambi. Yo, you guys are a happy family. Like, I think this trip showed us when they are united, when they are having fun, nothing can can stand in their way. Fine, usnebe ka le ke sne re dumellana hore ke nonyane tse pedi. Re tlo ya kwa le kwa ra tlo kwatisana nna le wena. Sne wa ilwalla, sne a itshware pila, sne o na le bozebra. Go ya ka nna. Right. Sharp, I ena flop. Guys, uMakhumalo. She remains my favorite. The way ahleke ngakhona bar ke Mangwabe haira ntong eo 45. Yo, kore ngwanyana o thehile a ba tswa dikeledi. A tshitsa kore Mangwabe o ira ntho e tshabang. Why guys, ngwanyana. And then also, can we give a big ups to Umseleku, who understood ukuthi abafazi bami banenkinga, so ngizoyenza sure ukuthi nokudla nezinto ezisona so ziba khona, because in an event where they are uncomfortable, this whole trip is going to be uncomfortable. Like, they had so much fun that I was like, no bargaining, no whatever formed against Lesthembu shall prosper. Ngithi manje di tanks tse ke senang tsona ne ke di lata nele nna ka bo shabara kira spice what ke lata di tanks buse re wa ke re lenyalo la Mseleku le ka Sthubege lenyalo la Mseleku le ka Sthubege. Guys, I love the girls, I love the wives, I love uMayeni, I love uMangwabe, I love uMakhumalo. I loved how they put their differences aside to make sure ukuthi the day was a success. I love how they gave their all to their children. I love how they paired up. I'm Team Selegu. I'm Team Tembusa Mseleku. Whatever I had said, ka family Mseleku, mpetheng. Canceling mpetheng, because wow. Like, yo, Musa Mseleku, is Thembu, let it stand. Let this Thembu stand. They did not care ukuthi uMacele akezanga. Do you understand? The fun did not stop because uMacele decided ukuthi yena she's now above lama vacation. Is Thembu said to guys, is Thembu seka, if there's such a word. Our Thembu is Thembu sing. Our Thembu is making them things that make this Thembu to be done. Mseleku, asibambe. Asihambe, akekho hambayo, bara. Thina siyasala siyancenga. Oh, yeah, abasala abangayi ku vacation. Thina sizohamba siyencenga. Thembu Mseleku. And ningangijudge, ngiyazi ukuthi at this point ngiyimene ngiyiphici nginto eyirang hore dilo di ska ireg. Le ska njudge, cause ke a le itse lena.